I'm Mark Manning, the Group Managing Director of Northern Estate Agencies Group, which is incorporating the brands of Manning Stainton, Ryder Dutton and Mortimers. Our group is an array of estate agency brands working across the West Yorkshire, a little bit of North Yorkshire, and then across into Lancashire, touch of the Ribble Valley up in the north as well. We operate estate agency services from around 40 locations across those areas and have a diverse array of other services as well, including mortgage service, auction house, prestige home sales through Fine and Country, and a whole bunch of other different things which all culminate in our strapline of helping people move. We have around 435 employees across the network. Out here in our head office, 65 people, 70 people sometimes, but there's lots of people working in different ways across the business, lots of hybrid working now, and those are solutions that we've looked to develop with our partners at NGC over a great number of years.
In 2020, we had telephone systems in all our branches. This meant it was hard to manage, support, maintain all these systems. So then what we did is we wanted to move to a more centralised location, having one server edition. The benefits of moving from our private data centre, which is private cloud, to Microsoft Azure, which is public cloud, will give us the scalability, resilience and reliability. NGC have been a key partner of Northern Estate Agencies Group for the past 14 years. They've helped guide us through many telephony transformation projects during that time, always helping us protect our investment through reusing hardware, software and licenses.
Manning Staintons wanted to upgrade their telephone systems to enable them to provide better levels of customer service. In order to do this, what we tried to do is integrate the telephony with their back office Repeat CRM system, which is their property management system. And what we managed to implement is a computer telephony integrated solution, which enabled them to screen pop when their callers came in, so they could identify quickly and easily which of their customers were actually calling them. In addition to this, to add to the levels of customer service, they were also able to click to dial from the CRM system and contact the customers directly, quickly and very efficiently. Manning Staintons had invested heavily in their technology, but that technology was based on hardware and software being implemented on individual branch sites. So therefore they had 17 individual telephone systems throughout the Yorkshire region. What we recommended is they looked to try and transition those systems into one consolidated, unified system. After extensive evaluation, and in conjunction with their IT team, we started to look at removing the hardware, the telephone systems, from the actual branches and moving the software to a centralised location in their head office.
Having a computer telephony integration for many years on the Manning Stainton telephone system, once we onboarded Ryder Dutton and Mortimers, we implemented this solution for them as well. Some of the benefits were screen popping of the contact details in the CRM and the ability to click to dial from the CRM. We've implemented many changes on the telephone system. However, due to the fact that we've always used Avaya, Ryder and Dutton have used Avaya, implementing the new systems has been seamless with no trading impact whatsoever.
The system is really reliable and very, very easy to use, easy to be trained on, and obviously, being able to transfer people through and makes our job, really smooth and does help.
So the reason we choose to work with NGC as a starting point was all about personal relationships. People like Dean and Alan for over 15 years have been providing us with that continuity of service, and we love dealing with them. But more than that, their ability to stay at the forefront in terms of the technology that they can provide us as a group and evolve and adapt to the needs of the business has been critical to our decision to remain and to continue the relationship that we've had with them. And we hope that that continues for many, many more years.